Deep cleaning on Asus FA507XU-MS94 gaming laptop. Thank you, Sir Josh, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Bringing your laptop to a professional repair shop for deep cleaning is a wise and beneficial decision that helps maintain optimal performance, longevity, and reliability over time. Dust, dirt, and debris accumulate inside the laptop, clogging cooling fans, vents, and heat sinks, which can lead to overheating, thermal throttling, and reduced performance. If left unaddressed, excessive heat can shorten the lifespan of internal components such as the CPU, GPU, and motherboard, potentially causing unexpected shutdowns for hardware failure. A professional deep cleaning ensures that all internal components are thoroughly cleaned using proper tools and techniques, preventing overheating and improving airflow. Unlike basic external cleaning, professional technicians can disassemble the laptop safely clean hard-to-reach areas and even replace thermal paste if necessary, further enhancing the cooling efficiency. Regular deep cleaning also helps maintain quiet operation by preventing fan noise from excessive dust buildup, ensuring that your laptop runs cooler, smoother, and more efficiently. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have our deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.